Hello, and welcome to the Inada Therapina Robo installation video. Please refer to the installation manual and make sure you have all the components seen in front of you. To begin installation, you will want to remove the arm mounting knob and the two mounting screws. Bring the armrest close. Bring out the air hose and the wire from within the chair and feed it through the armrest. Place on the arm mounting knob. Mount the armrest to the chair and secure in place using the arm mounting screws. Take your wire connector and your air hose and make sure that there is a proper and secure connection. For the side panel cover, you will want to find all 6 claws located on the chair and align 5 of them, leaving the 6th one at the very top and right for last. They will all click into place, leaving the very topmost for last, which can be put into place either using a flathead screwdriver or a similar tool. The directions for the other side panel will be the same. First, remove the arm mounting knob and the 2 mounting screws. Bring out the air hose and the cable from within the chair. Bring the armrest close. And mount and secure using the armrest mounting screws. Once again, connect the wires and the air hose, ensuring that they are secured. Bring the side panel cover close and align all the claws to the armrest, leaving all but the forwardmost top, in this case now on the left, for last. Once again, secure using either a flathead screwdriver or a similar tool. To install the tablet, first connect the wire. Next, align the pins of the tablet to the holes of the chair. Press in while holding the lock button and turn counterclockwise until a click is heard. Now you will want to plug in your chair and switch it on. Doing this will bring the chair to its upright position. To connect your footrest, you will want to locate the wire and the air hose and connect them to the chair. Take your footrest cable cover and place it. You can secure using the small screw while pressing in with your thumb and turning right about 3 to 4 times. To install the footrest, locate the mounting posts and the mounting brackets. The mounting brackets will be seen as silver on the chair. Both the posts and the brackets have screw holes for them, which are at the top. When mounting the footrest, make sure that both of these holes align with each other. Secure in place using the footrest mounting screws. Lastly, connect the footrest connecting cloth to the seat pad by bringing the zipper all the way to the left, connecting, and bringing all the way to the far right. This completes the installation of the Inada Therapina Robo. For more detailed instruction, please refer to the Service Installation Manual. Thank you for watching this video.